I'm Laura, I'm an iDieter, and I'm going to show you how to make the easy bean burritos, my family's favorite dish. I have a cup of shredded cabbage. It's a coleslaw mix that I bought from a bag. You could use just plain lettuce as well. This is a cup of black beans, canned and well drained to get the salt out. 3 tablespoons of Parmesan. 3 tablespoons of non-fat sour cream. 4 tablespoons of salsa. And a dash of hot sauce, because I like it hot. Mix it all up. I've got 2 iDiet friendly tortillas here as recommended in the book, and I'm going to divvy my mixture up evenly between the 2. Fold it up. Put it seam side down in my plate. Now I'm going to put them in the microwave, which in my microwave would take 2 to 3 minutes. And now my husband and I have a delicious, hearty iDiet meal that took no time at all.